Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to switch to Facebook page. If you're using Facebook and you're on your personal Facebook profile and then you want to switch to your Facebook page if you have one. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just simply open Facebook. The process might be same for your browser or for your app. And just click on this profile icon in the top right and select the page you want to switch. You can also click on see all pages or see all profiles. And here I have this page. I'm gonna click on it and it will be switched. It will take some moments and once it's done, now you can easily see your page over here. You can also get your professional dashboard. You can edit your page or anything you want to on your Facebook here. So using this way, you can easily switch to your Facebook page. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.